So, but, because, although. I fail, I study. I pass, I study. I study, I pass. I study, I fail. Really confusing, guys. Listen to me. You study, then you pass the test, right? Or you fail the test. So this is the action, study, and this is the reaction. And this reaction could be positive, something good, or negative. Clear? Now look, if the action leads to a positive reaction, use so. If the action leads to a negative reaction, use but. Like here, the action leads to a positive reaction here, so we use so. But here, the action leads to a negative reaction, so we use but. Here we start with a negative reaction, and here we start with a positive reaction. So what's the rule here? A positive reaction leads to action, choose because. Negative reaction to action, choose although. Here we start with negative reaction, so we use although.